Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a fox inspired makeup look because I want to take some nice pictures with my newly handcrafted fox ears. So this was my very first time making animal ears and I honestly underestimated how much work they are. I've made about 5 pairs so far and this was almost 2 full days of work. Just the styling and adjusting the details takes hours. But I really enjoyed creating them and I definitely want to make more. So for the new subscribers who don't know this about me yet, I have an online shop where I sell my handmade stuff. So yeah, please check it out. Everything is handmade with love and I'm also open for custom orders as well. So anyway, I know some of you IG followers kept asking me when I will finally put up these animal ears that I have announced on my Insta story, and you know, the thing is, after actually making these animal ears, I realized that I still have so much to learn. I do think they look decent, they are not poorly done or anything, but I just know that I can improve so much more, and I also have been making these only about a week ago, so I definitely want to take more time to explore the difference between different animal ears, and I also want to experiment with a lot of fabrics and materials. So yeah, please give me some more time and I will surprise you guys with some very beautiful and special handmade animal ears. I actually plan to release the first ones I make right away like I usually do with my little doll faces or other sculptures, but after realizing that this is a completely new type of accessory and you can't just freestyle it, I mean you can, but you have to learn the basics first. So yeah, I realized I need to be more patient. And I mean, it would also just feel unfair to my customers to sell something which I know can be much more improved. So yeah, I will work hard on the ear patterns, the design, and I also need to research more about how real cat or dog ears look like, because I do want to make my ears look hyper realistic. I want to make gothic ears, kawaii ears, alien ears, weird hybrid ears. Oh my god, the possibilities are endless. I'm excited. You know, sometimes I look back at my first harnesses or chokers and I just wish I could have worked on the design or the details a bit more before releasing it on my shop. There are so many items that I have deleted in the past, and even now when I look back at my doll faces that I made just a few months ago, now I just find them not that good anymore. But I hope that's a good thing. I hope that just means that I'm improving. Or not, I don't know. By the way, if you guys have some suggestions on what kind of accessories I could make next, please let me know in the comment section below. I read every comment. I actually really do.
Hey yo, smoking on cooking the hot box. Working on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to